Dear children, last day I taught you subsidiary alliance, page number 13 in history में पढ़ाया था आपको. Now Anglo-Maratha Wars. Look at the page number 13. Anglo-Maratha Wars. It took the British 43 years to subjugate the Marathas after their defeat in the Third Battle of Panipat, 1761. The Maratha has started rising again under the leadership of Madhav Rao first and Madhaji. Madhav is लिखा है महादजी, माधव जी होना चाहिए, सिंधिया. Maratha chief were striving to become independent, but they lacked unity and Peshwas was powerless. After the death of Madhav Rao, first the fourth Peshwa in 1772, a civil war ensued for succession to the throne. Raghunath Raj signed to treaty with the company's governor, while Nana Phanji sided with the Governor General Hastings. Finally, Madhav Rao II was accepted as the Peshwa under the Treaty of Salbai in 1782. In return, he had to sell Seti Island to the British. After the death of Nana Phanji in 1800, the Peshwa's power declined and the Maratha chief started to become dominant. The combined force of Scindia and Baji Rao II were defeated by the Holkars. The Peshwa was reinstated on the throne of Pune. The Peshwa was reinstated on the throne of Pune by the Treaty of Versay. This treaty brought Marathas under the total subjugation of the British. Lord Wellesley now planned to subjugate the Maratha chief. Gaikwad accepted subsidiary alliance of Lord British, while Bhosle and Scindia were defeated in 1805 and had to accept subsidiary alliance. Orissa and the territories between the Ganga and Yamuna were taken over by the British. These victories made the British more powerful. The Rajput princes also entered into various treaties with the British out of fear. Wellesley's victory over the Marathas in 1803 made the British supreme power in India. The primary cause behind the Third Anglo-Maratha War 1817 to 1818 was the dissatisfaction of Peshwa Baji Rao II with the subordinate position. He therefore tried to unite other Maratha chiefs to fight against the British. The Gaikwad of Baroda was, however, not in favor. Elephant Stone, the British fight against the British. Gaikwad of the Baroda was, यहाँ पर मिस्टेक हो रही है. The Gaikwad of Baroda was, however, not to favor Elphinstone. The British resident of Pune asked the Peshwa to enter into a new subsidiary alliance. The Gaikwad, the Bhosle and the Scindia were made to sign fresh treaties with the British. Appa Sahib at Nagpur and Malhar Rao II at Indore were defeated by the British, and Third Anglo-Maratha War came to an end in 1818. The conquest of this war turned out to be disastrous for the Maratha. The office of the Peshwa was obliged and his entire territory was taken over by the British. Our descendant of the Chhatrapati Shivaji was put on the throne of Satara. Similarly, Appa Sahib was deposed and all his territories were taken over. A minor son of Raghuji Bhosle II was put in his place in Nagpur. Malhar Rao II was forced to accept the subsidiary alliance, thus the ascendancy of the British became absolute. Cause of the downfall of Maratha. The Marathas were brave and fearless people who had a strong army and a vast empire, yet they could not succeed against the British for some various reasons. They lacked organization and unity. Their chiefs were jealous of each other. They did not care for financial administration. They were master of guerrilla warfare but inept in pitched battle. They lacked geographical knowledge, trade, and diplomacy. They did not care to train their army and neglect military organization, artillery, and navy. Most of their leaders had died in the early 19th century. They had a narrow outlook, lacked national feelings, and did not care for their subjects. They were engaged in fulfilling personal motives. Hence, they were extremely unpopular rulers. Now, Anglo-Nepalese War. Next day.